I'm happy to be here. Turabanezerewe cyane. We are here again to witness our similarities. The football match we are going to witness, it's not all about who is going to win, but RDF and UPDF, the strong blood relationship, strong commitments, the physical participation, contributions that Rwanda is supported Uganda is during protracted armed struggle. Now we are here just to enjoy the beauty of the outcome of our struggles.
Rwanda is your second home. Mujesikie nyumbani. The Rwanda Defence Force and the Uganda People's Defence Forces have enjoyed strong friendship for many years, dating back to our liberation struggles. We are pleased that our armed forces continues to strengthen our existing special bond through various programs, including games. These initiatives plays a critical role in a professional development for our forces and our population. Today is about more than football. We are not only playing for goals, but for friendship and comradeship.
This is a challenge for us now. Our teams, I'm saying Musanze FC, I'm saying Gicumbi FC, should play with a similar spirit if they want to win any trophy. And again, between UPDF and the RDF is also giving us another homework. Why not Gicumbi district can't organize a football or friendly game with the Kisoro, for instance? Musanze district playing with Nungamo. We want such games here. People of Musanze are extremely happy